Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today's day was a good day for option buyers, I would say. There was downside movement and the market showed a steady price action which was on a downside. And on both Nifty and Bank Nifty on a daily chart, we have a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern formed. So we'll take a look at those charts in just a while. But before that, a small disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investment decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on daily time frame, and as you can see in yesterday's video we had discussed that there's though this candle looks like a the yesterday's candle looks like a bullish hammer. I was more skeptical about it being a pause candle, and I had also mentioned that there is scope for downside. Though the option chain does not suggest along those lines, but I somewhere felt that it is going to be a day where bears will barge in, and that's exactly what has happened. And as you can see here, we have a bearish engulfing pattern on both Nifty and Bank Nifty daily time frame. So let's look at Nifty on a 15-minute chart to see how it played today. And if we can see here, the very first candle that was formed, uh, that the very first candle that was formed, after that there was continuous downside, and the price action also was lower high lower low formation, and it was completely in control of bears today, and we saw a lot of uh, long unwinding, or sorry, put unwinding happening, wherein everyone who had purchased the put side, they I mean the sellers who had sold the put side, they were all exiting from their position. So today was a day where we had a single directional or a unidirectional movement which was on the downside, and this would have definitely helped the option buyers, or even more, because this movement was not just a small movement. This was a very big movement, like 170 180 points roughly on Nifty, and almost over 600 700 points on Bank Nifty. So today was a good day for option buyers. If anyone would have initiated a downside trade, they would have definitely made profits. uh, According to me, I think tomorrow also this movement will continue. However, there are key points to look at, so we'll take a look at those in just a while. The key levels to watch out for tomorrow will be 21,833 on the upside, which is today's high, and 21 566 on the downside, which is just below today's low. Now this level 21 566 is very critical, because it also, if that breaks and if the price sustains below 21 500, then that also happens to be the psychological level below which there will be the bulls will be totally under pressure and bears will totally be in control, and that may make the price go further down till 21 200 300 levels, as well as 21,000 levels in the coming trading sessions. On the upside, 21 833 is a critical level. If the price opens gap up and we see a negative candle, then in that case we may go ahead with a sell side trade or a PE side trade, and then in that case the initial targets uh, would be today's day close. If the market consolidates and breaks 21 833, then we may see short covering rally, which may take the Nifty to 22,000 levels as well, right? So 21 833 is a crucial level for tomorrow, as well as 21 566. In between, I think if the market opens in between, then the movement will be more or less range bound. Also on the daily chart, we can see here that as discussed yesterday, since the lows of this previous candle were broken, we also almost tested the bottom of this purple channel, and we saw some bounce back from there. Also, it will be keen it will be important to see whether market breaks this bottom of the purple channel or not. If you remember, the previous purple channel was this one, 2 and 3, and after breaking out from this channel on this day, then we had switched to a different channel, which was this new purple channel. And now if this breaks, then it will be like the third channel that we will be moving to. And this downfall will definitely look to take Nifty to a price of 21 133, right? 21 133 levels in the near trading sessions. 21 133 is going to be a crucial level. If it breaks, then we can see a further downfall till even 2500 levels as well in the coming trading sessions. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has been the weaker out of the two, as I have been saying. And yesterday, despite it was a bullish piercing candle, I was very much convinced that this might be just a trap for the bulls, and we may see downside. And that's exactly what happened. And if you see here, we have a bearish engulfing pattern even on Bank Nifty for the daily chart. And also, if you see, uh, we have retested the bottom of this particular purple channel here. We have also retested the trend line, the pink trend line that you see here. And also uh, this today's close has managed to close just above the dotted middle line of the maroon channel. So all in all, there are three supports that are currently in action. But if tomorrow the price breaks below this, right, if it breaks out of the purple channel and into this, and if it breaks the trend line on the downside, then in that case we may see just one support, which will be roughly around 44 122 levels. But if that breaks, then in that case we may see further downfall till 43 800 and 43 500 levels in the coming trading sessions. For me, Bank Nifty is weaker, and only a close above only a close above this particular point, that is 46 200. I think 46 200, a close above 46 200 will make it more conducive for the buyers. Otherwise, I think more or less it is seller dominant at present. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty on a 15 minutes time frame to see how it played. This was similar to what Nifty. This was similar to the Nifty chart, and if you can see here, uh, the candlestick pattern or the price action clearly indicates the lower high lower low formation, and this 46 44 633 is a crucial level now. If the market opens flat, or if it opens with a slight gap up or a gap down and then breaks this 44 633 levels, and in that case tomorrow we may see a quick fall till 44 500. And based on the OI, it appears that there is no support, there is no strong support till 44,000. And even the 44,000 support may not sustain if the price continues to fall till 44,000 tomorrow. Reason being, day after tomorrow is expiry, and there will be panic selling when the price approaches 44,000. Buyers may jump in to take the price higher, but if the buyers fail to do so, then we may see a further quick downfall till 43 800 or 43 500 levels as well. So this is the crucial level to watch out for tomorrow. On the upside, 45 755 is a level above which the buyers, the bulls, the bears will be little tensed, and the bulls will be in more control. So in between, the market is going to be a range bound market. And also, if you can see here, if you can see here, it is it it is playing, I mean, all these three things, right? The trend line, the channel bottom, as well as this middle of the maroon channel, all of these things are in play right now for Bank Nifty, trying to offer support. So if this support breaks, then in that case we may see a further downfall, definitely till the levels 44 100 and 11 roughly, uh, uh, being the first target, and then further below till 43 500, as I said, in the coming trading sessions. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. We have been following Dow Jones. Dow Jones, I think, would be negative, but let's check. No, so yesterday Dow Jones touched on this particular. I mean, it closed as uh, a doji candle, and it was trading above the trend line which we have marked. And initially in the morning it was trading below this trend line, but now as we can see, this is trading convincingly above the trend line. and there are still like 4 hours 45 minutes before the close for this day, today's close for today, and then the market there opens within 45 minutes for the next day. So before our market opens, there is good like roughly around 6 to 8 hours of trading that happens. So it will be interesting to see where uh, Dow Jones is trading and where the European markets and the Asian markets are trading, uh, which will uh, which will suggest whether Nifty opens with a gap up or a gap down. Irrespective of gap up or a gap down, I think the current sentiment in the Indian markets is going to be negative. I don't know the reason for that, but Bank Nifty is more negative, and even if we open with a huge gap up, it will be interesting to see whether that gap up sustains or not, because what it appears like on the option chain data and everything, it's like the bears are totally in control, and it is more of a sell on rise strategy for Bank Nifty, and I think more or less even for Nifty. However, as long as Nifty is trading about 21,500, uh, the bulls have a chance to come back stronger. So these are the key levels to watch out for. Bank Nifty has closed below 45,000, which clearly indicates that bears are in total control. Nifty, on the other hand, is still fighting the 21,500 level. It has managed to hold that level for some time now. So as long as 21,500 level is held, I think Nifty, uh, as long as 21,500 levels is held, I think bulls will stand a chance to come back. But once 21,500 levels breaks, then in that case, that is tomorrow. If 21,566 level breaks and 21,500 level also does not sustain, then in that case, it will be very difficult for bulls to make a comeback immediately, and the bears will be in total control till taking the price lower till at least 21,000 in the near trading sessions, right? So that is the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, whether you are taking trade, whether you took trade today, and whether you booked profits or whether you booked losses, and also what else you would like me to cover. um, Besides that, do like, do share, and do comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And just before we wrap up, again a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, in the long run, with continuous improvements and with patience, we can definitely reap benefits and profits from stock market. So thank you so much. Stay tuned.